What's going on, world? It's your boy Sean Bennett 618, and y'all already know what it is, man. I'm back with another vlog video. Today, man, I just got a new package in the mail, straight from Amazon. Yeah. So you already know what it is, man. We about to mod up the Dodge Challenger, man. But before we do that, make sure y'all smash that motherfucking subscribe button, please. Subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos in the near future. Y'all already know what it is. Let's get it.
And that is
one day, promise that we will be rich. One day, I'ma start in the beach. One day, I'ma pull up in the wheels. One day, young nigga, I've been the shit. One day we'll be rich, cover me and go.
Alright, so check this out, right? Everybody know, right? I just got the Dodge Challenger, and I'm about to start doing all my upgrades, right? And this is one, well, I'm not gonna say the first upgrade because the tent was really like the first upgrade. You gotta get your car tinted. It can't ride around like a fishbowl. So the tent was really like the first upgrade, and I got little shit like floor mats and shit like that. That shit don't count for me. But this right here is the next big upgrade for my exterior. And I'm pretty sure everybody can guess it. Yes, the brand new gas cap. You know what I'm saying? Don't like the chrome one too much. I'm not a fan of the chrome one. I see the whole community, the whole Dodge Challenger community, they not a fan of the chrome one. So yeah, I had to get the black one being that my car is silver. I got the black rims. It just made sense. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this box, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. All right, let y'all see. All right, cool. So look, don't mind the table. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Febreze. This is one of the best smelling Febreze. It's Moonlight Breeze. I just put y'all on real quick, but look. All right, so look, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. Just got Amazon. Yeah. I know y'all like, where's your other hand? I'm holding the camera. But while I unbox this, what y'all need to do? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, I got my decal. This is the decal. I didn't even tell y'all that. Got the decal though, that just came in with it. Alright. And this is the gas cap. If I can get it open. I don't know how people do this ricochet. There we go. Booyah, baby. Gas cap right there. The black one. Alright. Oh yeah, there we go. Look, gas cap right here, black one. Like I said, we don't do the chrome one. The chrome one is definitely ugly as hell. This one's gonna make the silver just look so much more beautiful. Then you know, tint on top of the black rims. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go put this on the car. I heard it was pretty simple. I hope, cause I don't really know how to do this shit. All right, let's go. All right, so look, check this out. We finna go ahead and swap out this one with this one. Real quick and simple. You can get a flat head to pop it open. Don't be afraid, it ain't gonna break. Just don't wanna scratch your car, you know? There you have it. The black cat. Let me make it look so much better. I agree. Alright. Took a little muscle, but don't be afraid to pull that mug, because it's pretty hard. But out with the old and with the new. Alright. So look, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out any videos in the future. Alright. We out of here.